Welcome to Tap Tech, bringing you crystal clear, no-nonsense breakdowns of the latest gadgets. If you love staying ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Picture this: you're lounging on your couch, remote in hand, and TV on. Only this time, the streaming setup isn't just smart. It's downright genius. The next-gen Apple TV 4K is about to drop, and it's sounding like Apple's most ambitious streamer yet. Late 2025 is shaping up to be the year where your set-top box doesn't just stream, it transforms your entire living room experience. So what exactly is coming? Let's start with timing. Apple has traditionally refreshed the Apple TV 4K every 3 years, and that brings us to 2025. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the new model is expected toward the end of the year, likely October or November, possibly whenever Apple rolls out the iPhone 17 or maybe alongside their MacBook and iPad reveals. A major code leak confirms the A17 Pro chip, yes, the same powerhouse found in the iPhone 15 Pro, so we're talking console-level performance on your TV. That means buttery smooth navigation, crazy fast app launches, and maybe even AAA gaming. Think Resident Evil 4 Remake, Assassin's Creed Mirage, or Death Stranding running straight from your Apple TV. But wait, there's more. Apple's crafting its own Wi-Fi/Bluetooth combo chip codenamed Proxima that could support Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7. That means faster, more reliable streaming, lower latency, and tighter integration with HomeKit and upcoming HomePod devices. Now, here's where things get wild: Apple Intelligence. This isn't just a fancier Siri, it's on-device smarts that could supercharge voice searching, content discovery, smart home controls, maybe even AI-powered picture adjustments. The A17 Pro chip and rumored 8GB RAM would make that possible. Mid-script hook: I bet you're wondering, could that mean, at last, we're getting real gaming on Apple TV? Keep listening, because what's coming might surprise you. Rumor also hints at a built-in camera finally letting you FaceTime without needing your iPhone. Couple that with gesture controls, and your TV remote could become optional. Design-wise, don't expect fireworks yet. It likely keeps the same slim puck aesthetic, maybe a bit smaller, still minimalistic and sleek. Software is getting a facelift too. The launch of tvOS 26, seen in WWDC 2025, brings that gorgeous liquid glass interface, see-through menus that float over your content, poster art thumbnails that pop, personalized display profiles, live captions in FaceTime, and more seamless app sign-ins. Even if you stick with older hardware, tvOS 26 breathes new life into your TV experience. But what about price? Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests Apple may keep a sweet price tag, maybe under $100 for a more affordable base version. Whether that's the flagship or a companion model is unclear, but competitive pricing could be a big move. Still, not everyone's sold. Some critics point out this isn't exactly groundbreaking: no 8K, no radical redesign, and gaming on Apple TV has stumbled before. The most notable thing here might just be a lower price to lure in new customers, not necessarily to push current owners to upgrade. Mid-script hook: if this sounds too good to be true, especially that $100 price, stick around. I'll break down what I think is real, what's hype, and what Apple might still surprise us with. Putting it all together, here's what we can expect come fall 2025. Release likely between October and November, possibly tied to iPhone 17 or HomePod launch. A 17 Pro processing power, major leap over current A15. Custom Proxima wireless chip, Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3. Apple Intelligence integration, smarter Siri, AI features. Optional built-in camera and gesture control for FaceTime. Familiar design, maybe slimmer, still puck style. tvOS 26 enhancements, liquid glass UI, poster art, profiles, live captions, etc. Price? Possibly under $100 for some version, but spread expectations. Mixed excitement: many want more innovation, but fans welcome performance boost. Here's how I'd spin it authentically, without hype. The upcoming Apple TV 4K feels like a refined evolution, not a revolution. It's the same clean design, now powered like a gaming console with smarter connectivity and AI layers. It won't reinvent the wheel, but it may redefine what a streaming stick can do, while staying within reach financially. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where smart upgrades matter. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the next-gen Apple TV 4K, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss when the real thing drops.